Hello guys, I'm Meet Sony. Welcome back to my channel. If you're a fresher or early career candidate looking for a high paying tech and developer roles, then today's video is going to be very important for you because today I have bought three opportunities. One is a high paying analytics tech role in a top company. Second one is a software testing plus developer role, and the third one is a front end developer role. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's start with the first opportunity. The company is ZS and they are hiring for the role of Associate Platform Services. The location are Bangalore, Pune and Gurugram, and this is a hybrid full-time role. Now let's understand what you will actually do in this role. In this job, you will work on data analytics and technology solutions. You will translate business requirements into technical solutions and build systems using data, analytics and programming. You will also work on data modeling, ETL processes, and analytics. Use tools like Python, SQL, Tableau, and cloud platforms and help teams make data driven decisions. You will collaborate with global teams, work on project management, and even mentor team members. So, overall, this is a mix of data and development. Now, coming to the skills, you should know Python, SQL, and data structures. Having understanding of data analytics and ETL tools like Hadoop, Spark, or Informatica, and knowledge of cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or GCP is important. Now, coming to the eligibility, you must have a bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, engineering, MIS, or related field. Experience required is 0 to 3 years, so freshers can definitely apply. Based on data, you can expect around 11 to 15 LPA, which is a good package for freshers. And if you are preparing for the roles, I have added an ultimate technical interview cheat sheet bundle which includes 15 plus top company DSA questions and covering SQL, Java, JavaScript, React, Node.js and Git. You can use the coupon code developer25 to get the 25% off. Link is in the description box. Now coming to the second opportunity, the company is Creative Hands HR and they are hiring for the role of software engineer, developer and programmer roles. The locations are Bangalore, Chennai and Hyderabad and this is a full-time role. Now in this role, it is mainly focused on software testing and development. You will work on manual testing, application testing, and web hosting, and also get exposure to programming and software development. Now, coming to the skills, basic knowledge of Python, Java, software testing, and development concepts is expected. And coming to the eligibility, you can apply if you have degrees like BE, Btech, BSc, BCA, ME, MTech, MCA. So most of the technical degrees are included here and 2025 graduates can also apply. Now coming to the salary, they are offering around 2 to 5 LPA which is very average for entry level package. Now let's move on to the third opportunity. The company is CBTS and they are hiring for the role of front end developer application development. The location is Chennai and this is a full-time in-office role. You will develop and support front-end applications, work on modern web technologies, and help build scalable and secure applications. Now coming to the skills, you should have knowledge of JavaScript and TypeScript, experience with React 18 and React Router, and testing tools like Jest or Vitest. You should also know HTML5, CSS, Bootstrap, and basic Git workflows. Now coming to the eligibility, this role is open for freshers, so you can apply if you have a required skills. Yeah, these were the three quick opportunities. One is a high paying associate role, another one is a software engineer and a front end developer role. Make sure to check out the application link in the description box. If you want more such latest job updates, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching guys.